And now we are going to have to back up our wallet. So this tells us that the secret phrase is used to recover the crypto if you lose your phone or switch to a different wallet entirely. So this can be used for things other than just a base wallet. You could use a different self-custody wallet as long as it supports that crypto network. So we need to save these 12 words in a secure location such as a password manager and never share them with anyone. So what you don't want to do here is just take a screenshot or copy and paste it into your notes, because if anybody gets into your phone and then they find that information, then they can directly get to your wallet and your crypto funds. So I'm going to click on the button here making this visible. And I'm going to say, no, I'm safe here. I'm not being scammed. And guys, obviously, I'm going to blur this all out here. And I'm not going to put a meaningful amount of money in this wallet anyway, so I might not do the steps of recording this. But you're going to want to write this down and store this in a safe location. For now, I'm just going to click on Copy to Clipboard. And we also have the option here to back up to iCloud, or you can back it up manually. Obviously, you can make a decision as to whether or not you think the Apple iCloud is secure. I'm personally okay with it, especially for this demo. So I'm going to click on Backup on iCloud. And in order to do that, we're just going to create a password. So this makes it feel like more of a traditional account with a password and login. But this is because we're having the Apple iCloud hold on to our password within an account that has a login and password, if you will. So I'm going to go ahead and set a password and then check this box. So we're going to check this box here, but I just want to read to you what this says so you guys are aware. It says, I understand that if I lose my password, I won't be able to access my backup, which could mean losing all the crypto in my wallet. So really, guys, make sure that you write down this password. It's not like your traditional passwords where you can often just go reset it. You know, this is a big deal because it's holding back your private key, which is what gives someone full access to your crypto wallet. So we're going to check the box. We're going to click here on Continue.